G, man, as the opinionated like the rest of us, somebody happy add you. Sorry about that, man.
Yeah, man, you
Me
know,
happy add that.
but yeah,
Come in.
what she has say kind of true, but not really true, you know, brother, because you can experience all sort of pleasure without even going down there, you know, brother.
Big man argument that, me G. Big man argument that.
But me say,
Alright, me I go ask you a question then.
no, hold on.
Let me speak. Give me the time to speak now.
See, you like them something there, you fancy them something there, you see me? But more the time, nobody not like them something there. Them think that, you know, like you can be freaky, yes, but doing all them something there, dog, nah. I just dirt that me personally think, dog, like sex is just a little pleasure, yes, but mainly for making little ones. No.
Reproduction. Talk to us.
So why you have to go on? Cause no, hear me I say, right?
This is looking interesting now.
How old she is, but me personally, me think going down on a woman and a woman going down on you changes the perspective on your mind about that person. Tell me if I'm wrong.
No, it doesn't.
Not everybody. In some incidents, in some cases, yes, not all. In some cases, yes, not all. Not all cases.
For me, it is a normal part of having sex or making love.
So you're saying it's you and your mind and actually you know where you want, know where you're going out there for. It's not you just having.
I definitely know what I want.
Alright, now say a word. But me personally, I think say yo, you don't really have to, you know, go all them extreme lengths just to please a woman, you know? Yeah.
Well,
you have a point. Nadia have a point.
But I mean, a lot of people fancy it too. Fancy
it. And nothing is wrong with it. But my thing is, why, if somebody wants to incorporate that into their sex life, why other people keep looking down on that individual?
No, man, them sex life,
nobody's looking down on them, you know. Everybody's voicing their own opinion on the situation. Why you consider looking down?
But in 2021, no. I hear people say, if my virgin eat the buff, him can share a cliff with me.
But what does that? That's his opinion. That's his opinion. Why are you trying to change somebody's perspective? Every man say can't but no weed because he might eat him buff. I'm an opinion, just like how him entitled to eat the buff. Him man entitled to say me not have a smoke with you because you eat the buff. Don't be biased now. You can't give one person the opportunity and deny the other.
No, what?
Yes, one split, brother.
What said? Hold on, me miss that. What him just said?
Repeat what she hear me, G. Because she never listen. Repeat what she hear it.
Nah, I said that case roll him in one spliff. Say yo, all the back of weed, brother. Roll your one spliff, brother. What like? Me no want nothing.
Right there, some G. Right there.
Certain people have them certain, you know, likes and dislikes. You can't, you know, disrespect or not. Like,
one second. People all out upon the live. If you feel like voicing your opinion, you can send me a request. Me add upon the live to all who want to voice their opinion. You understand me? But with that being said, we can go back to the conversation, the topic at hand. You get somebody else. Because I don't me want to have this perspective, you know. You made it look like I was the only person with this point of view.
I didn't say you was the only one with that point of view. I'm talking Jamaican men and Jamaican culture because it's very misogynistic and very male dominated, where the man them are talk about them want dung in a throat and all of these things. But when it comes to the woman, them turn, every man has say no eating off the buff. And me not understand why.
Because of the mind to them going in at something because them know what them want. You see me that tell you before? You know what you want, right? So most of them Jamaican man know what they want, you know. Don't get me wrong, yo, some nice people out there, you know. nice Jamaican men, you know, that actually take care of them picnic and all them something there, you know. But you see them men and then the man come first. Like when you approach a woman, right? Same thing like when you first see a woman and you approach her. Your mind tells you what you want. If you would want to have a long-term relationship with her, if you would want to have just a fling with her. So it's all in the mind, you see me I say?
This woman love act like them no have no choice. Like them man put gun.
True.
Well, well, that's what I just said before. Before I was saying that women need to stand firm in what they want and express what they want sexually. And if a man not delivering what they want,
then you not do it. Yeah, I
they simply don't do it.
We're not saying
move on and find somebody else.
We're not saying
Exactly.
woman not forget what they want,
Somebody else.
Yeah.
We're not saying woman not forget what they want, you know. But at the end of the day, we as men have to have the opportunity to do what we want to do. You can't force it. Or you can force me now. I'm not an eater. Or you can force me to taste your ice cream. And personally, I'm lactose intolerant. How that go?
Lord! Oh my!
How that go? How that
go? Get somebody else to do it.
Declare yourself. Declare yourself, me here. Declare yourself. Nadia, declare yourself, me here. Me lactose intolerant. Don't eat your ice cream. Yeah?
Not wrong. My ice cream not more dairy, you know.
And then there are some people have eczema. But they eat dairy products and break out.
No, my ice cream dairy free. It's dairy free.
I like trouble with the father.
What?
My ice cream gluten free, dairy free.
Yeah, man, we know no animal was harmed in this process. No animal was harmed in the process of making that. We know where you go. Put out a disclaimer. Yeah, you're good enough. No, they ain't good enough. You know, come and call her that shit up, Bob.
You're good enough. You're not safe. She like trouble.
You're gonna play that.
Alright.
Yeah, go ahead.
The other day, me and you was reasoning. And I was saying that a lot of Jamaican men also, they're very homophobic. But when it comes on to a woman giving them a threesome, them happy. Them want that.
Oh, them like that. Them like that.
Them like that and them want that.
Be too one. Man, I make it that a white. Them not like that.
Jamaican men, them fetishize LGBTQ women who are bisexual. Them like to put them in that category of being a fetish.
Yeah, you teach me something.
Right? But when it comes on to the lesbian them not too like the lesbian them because guess what? Them know them don't stand a chance with the lesbian them. And when it comes on to male being gay, them still also don't like that because that challenge them own masculinity.
No, hold on, pause. Take a pin right there. How can somebody being gay, how can somebody being gay challenge my masculinity?
Yeah.
Sure.
Because
no, I don't understand that. Please,
the other day when time little Kev. With little Kev and all these things, I fool the man them by dress up like woman and whatever. You burn him out.
Of course.
Right? You burn him out.
Of course. I never heard my mouth back on top. I made a video just about that. Just about little
Why
Kev.
would you burn out somebody if you know say you 100% straight and challenge your masculinity and challenge you? Why you are burn him out? Because for me, when a man is gay, that means more woman for you because you heterosexual. So more women are dropping at the pool for you. So why you so against the gay people then?
No, but not like that though.
Over.
You being gay, right? Over them want you as a friend, like best girlfriend, like type thing, but you're gay. You see me I say, it's not want something to do with you like you want to fuck them and all them something there. Woman them like them things so them can be naked and all them something there with them gay boy and them. You see me?
What part of the world are you from in general?
Canada with them man. Originally
No,
from Canada, you know what I mean?
No, I'm
what
not
nationality are you?
accent
What
or
nationality?
Trinidad accent.
Me figure say a Chile. Me figure say a Chile. Me figure as
You
much.
see, Uno Trini? Me get back on the Trini. You see, Uno Trini? Me meet a Trini bad the other day. And you know what the Trini man said to me?
How am say?
Them want anal sex. So me have to ask, you know, as a Trini man,
No.
every Trini, that I go on a Trinidad know that I carry the swing.
But just a while ago say them thing nasty yo. Me not like them things say yo, look at this.
No, I'm not that a Michael. I'm not me want
No.
what was your reply to that? What was your reply to that statement?
What was my reply?
Yeah, what was your reply to that statement? When you answer that?
I don't participate in anal sex in my personal sex life.
No,
but I know
we don't do them things. Respect my girl enough not to do them things, they dog. Like,
yeah, but what is the status on that in Trinidad right now? Because it's not the first Trini man asked me for that.
Oh, I found
no,
my own.
Right. That come on us all right and I was telling them. I'm not lying. Come on us all right.
Well, the Trini man answer me now. Well, Mr. Epic, me know you're alive. But
the man don't even know. The Trini man don't even know. I come here when I'm about 15, so I don't really even know. I know about Canada more than I know about Trinidad right there. Yeah.
Yeah, man say. Yeah, what the man say, I can't drive out.
Me not try dry him out, but me just a talk what me experience from the Trini man them.
Yeah, I don't Trini man them. I don't Trini man them, you see me?
Every time it's like me open. Me is a very open person. Me open to talk to anybody because me like to educate myself on what's going on in the world.
Yeah.
And when it comes to like anal sex, because where I'm at right now in France, anal sex is viewed like normal sex. And it is practiced by both heterosexual couples, homosexual couples, and even lesbian couples.
Okay.
Watch him face! Watch face!
I not have nothing to do with that my personal life.
No, I don't incorporate it in my personal life. But I am telling you that here in France, it is normal. You understand? And it's not a gay thing.
No, but I don't know if yesterday conversation, me talk too long the other night. We talk too long because it's too much in my mind now. Your perspective, your outlook, we keep on saying your outlook on life is different. I asked you a question the other night and it plagued me. For days it's still plaguing me. But I'm not going to ask that for the life because I don't think it's appropriate. But it plagued me. It plagued me. We have to figure out what, me and you have to do this live a Sunday daytime. Because I love your, I keep on telling that I love your outlook on life. Just like in general, I have to go forward back on the show. Anytime we do it back again next Sunday, me G, you have to go back on the flick. You understand me? We have to link up half the year and we have a different reason. You see me G?
Yeah, right.